Hello students, today we will discuss function call by value in C language. There are two ways to pass parameters to a function. The first is pass by value. This mechanism is used when you don't want to change the value of the passed parameter. When parameters are passed by value, then the functions in C create copies of the passed in variables and do required processing on these copied variables. The second way is pass by reference. This mechanism is used when you want a function to do the changes in passed parameters and reflect those changes back to the calling function. In this case, only addresses of the variables are passed to a function so that function can work directly over the addresses. Now let's discuss these two mechanisms one by one. First is call by value. The call by value method copies the actual value of an argument into the formal parameter of the function. In this case, changes made to the parameter inside the function have no effect on the argument. By default, C programming uses call by value method to pass arguments. This means that the code within a function cannot alter the arguments used to call the function. Let's take an example of swapping of two numbers. If we write a C program for swapping of two numbers, first include two header files, hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. Declare the function swap globally, void swap int x, int y, semicolon. Start the main function, take two variables, int a is equal to 100, int b is equal to 200. I am using here printf statement that before swapping the value of a is %d, a. Another printf statement before swap value of variable b is %d, b. Now we call the swap function swap ab. Then we write two printf statements that after swap value of variable a is %d, that after swap and the value of variable b is %d, b. Get ch. Then we define the function swap using void swap int x, int y. These variable x and y are known as the formal parameters of the function. Opening braces, take one variable temp, temp is equal to x equal to y and y is equal to temp, and then return statement, closing braces. So here this is a program of swapping of two numbers where we are using call by value method. Here we are initializing two variable a and b. The value of a is 100 and the value of b is 200. Before swapping, the value of a is printed here and the value of b is printed here. Then we call the function swap. Then the control will be transferred here where the swap function is defined. Here we use the two formal parameters x and y. In this function, we swap the values of x and y using a local variable temp. First we assign the value of x to the temp variable, then the value of y will be assigned to x, then finally the value of temp will be assigned to y. So like this, the value of x is assigned to y and the value of y will be assigned to x. So the values of x and y will be swapped. Then the return statement. So in this program, when we call the function swap, then here the value of the variables are used, and this mechanism is basically call by value method using functions. Let's run this program on Turbo C software. This is the same program which we have discussed. We include the two header files, declare the function swap, then in the main function we initialize two variable a and b, print the values of a and b before swapping, then call the function swap, then after swapping the value of a and b will be swapped and printed. Here we define the swap function where the value of x and y are swapped using the variable temp. Let's compile this program. You can see there is no error and no warning. Now let's run this program. You can see here the message that before swapping the value of a is 100 and the value of b is 200. But when we call the swap function, then the value of a will become 200 and the value of b is 100. So this is how we can use the call by value method in functions. Thank you.